The Microclimates user interface is divided up into devices, programs, and insights. In this video, we're going to review the addition of Irrigation program. Click on Programs. Add the Irrigation water delivery card. The front of the card includes upcoming tasks and recent tasks performed. The back of the card is used for configuration. Let's go ahead and add a new recipe. Let's call this recipe Irrigation Schedule 2. Press Save. Let's add a recipe for Irrigation Schedule 2. Add a recipe. At 4:00 a.m., we would like to irrigate plants. From the drop-down menu, click Irrigate Plants. Modify the fields as needed and press Save. We would like this task to be repeated every 60 minutes. Next, we will add another recipe. Let's say at 4:00 p.m. we would like to fill tanks. Again, modify the fields as needed and press Save. We will add a third task. Add recipe, and at 2:00 a.m. we would like the tanks to be drained. Again, modify the fields as needed and press Save. Now we have set a specific recipe for Irrigation Schedule 2. Click on Irrigation Schedule 2 and press Save. You can also set up one-time tasks. To do so, click on Devices. Identify the card of interest, and in this situation, we're going to go ahead and look for the left feed tank. We're going to click on Run a Task, and we're going to set up a one-time task of irrigating plants. Modify the fields as needed and press Start. This number now indicates that a task is running. To stop the task, click on Run Task, choose from the currently running tasks, and click on Stop Task. You have now learned how to set up an irrigation program or recipe, or set up a one-time task. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions at support@microclimates.com.